The following is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
Well, ultimately, you guys are the ones that get to pick.
No, those aren't. This is going to be the hottest because of the color.
Yeah,
These aren't even.
Mark,
these
you
won't be
tell
hot.
me, because you know.
I thought it's like
I'd
the
say
uglier it is. the
Okay,
hotter
that's a
it is.
guaranteed one. Throw that over there. What would you say?
I feel like
No,
that one or that one.
I was just gonna say, out of these, I would.
Yeah, those are definitely.
Those would be your three because these ones aren't right. Really
Wait, he has to
right
have
yet.
3 now?
How do we just keep stepping it up?
I don't know.
Give him a fourth.
Whoa,
Wait,
whoa,
wait,
whoa,
wait,
whoa,
wait,
whoa.
I guess. You gotta.
Have you had your lunch yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're either going to
we
throw
like,
up.
We're like
or-
dissecting this joint.
Here.
Yeah.
Well,
Look at that.
No,
Pull out
now
the
your
deep-
razor's gonna have the oils on it.
So I can wipe it off.
Well, I know, but I'm saying if you get it on your skin,
Pick a new
that
blade.
gonna burn. Don't rub your eyes.
Habanero's not hot.
Yeah, just not hot at all.
It's like a green pepper.
That's when you cut to me on the floor. Just push it in. We want it all in there.
Tell me when to stop.
I feel like we're already
That'd
past
be
that
good,
point.
yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely good. He's still going.
Wait, no, because he's getting some of this other one too.
All right, so
Maybe,
which
maybe,
one?
have, maybe have a normal one.
Yeah, I say let's
Make
do a
your
normal
finger
one
feel
first.
like
This
this.
one, right?
Do it.
I'm getting hot just
Dude,
like,
dude, my forehead is sweating already. I haven't done anything yet.
Get some fire sauce in there.
You feeling it?
So this one first, yeah?
Is it hot?
I mean, it's spicy. It's not hot.
Dude, it smells like.
We need drinks for you.
No.
Here.
There is no way he's eating all 3
Dude,
of
I
those.
can't even get through Chipotle.
Here.
He's running away, dude. Get him.
Do you think he's eating all 3 of those?
Yeah. I think you should just
No,
do this
it's
one
already
first.
first. Because after the first one, I don't think he's going to want to take another one. I'm going to be real.
Okay, so how many do you think he has? 1, 2, or 3?
I'd say one.
I think he's gonna hit all three.
I'd
I
say
have faith
one.
in my boy. He's definitely doing all 3. Unless he's made.
Wait a second. What is the hottest thing you've had?
I've had a ghost pepper.
Oh, okay.
So this is a step down from
A
that.
lot. Like
this one
3 of
first.
these are still not even equal to 1.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's going to be fun at any point.
These aren't.
This is like 200,000 probably.
No, I don't even think they're that. I think they're like 50. You know how to spell habanero? You need help?
No. Habanero's at like 100,000 to 350,000.
Okay.
So
we're
these are
300,000.
And then
these,
how much
well, no, I was
is
gonna say
how
these
much
are
is a
store bought, so
Ghost
these are
pepper's a
probably on the
million.
lower end of that
Ghost pepper's
100,000.
$1 million. Right here, we'll say
I'd say those are
Three-
probably 1 to
300.
150. I wouldn't say they're that hot because they're store bought.
no in total for all 3. If he eats all 3, yeah.
Well, Giant Eagle banana peppers aren't hot at all.
No, that's what I'm saying. These are store bought
Oh,
ones.
he's going in.
Which one was that?
Normal. Good taste. Immaculate.
You're
Oh
wearing
my
a,
God.
You're wearing a sweatshirt for this too.
Oh yeah, we're taking that
His
off.
face is turning.
That's coming off. Oh, we're going. We're chewing.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, 'cause the longer you chew, the more the oils, like the.
Suck him down.
Yeah,
It's like, it's like, don't force me to swallow
Shut
it
up.
out.
They
I
can
mean,
like,
all about that?
We got a tuck going.
you drive your Corvette today?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I regret life.
Where's your beverages?
He has to eat all 3 of them first.
Yeah, cuz. No, yeah, you got to burn. You got to get to 3, and then you get this one next.
Yeah.
The one that's seeping.
I don't like you.
You can see the sauce coming through.
Oh, wait, there's a hair on there.
That one? That one didn't, like the first one didn't?
Hey, don't wipe your eyes, whatever you do. Like, no, you can't. Just not with your hands. not with
Yeah, I
your
was
hands.
just gonna say.
Can somebody live stream Luke?
That's why I said he should.
Hey, it could be worse than the ghost. Huh? Could be worse than
It
the ghost.
shouldn't be.
Really?
Really?
How bad is your?
You were balling. We're in better spirits, dude.
Barely.
What's going on, sir?
What's up?
I'm crying. We're not having a good day.
Question.
Come on, man, go for it.
Breathing like that feels good.
Wait, what is he eating right now?
Habanero pepper.
If
Oh,
he's in
no.
that bad of shape because of a habanero pepper, he would die if he ate that chip. You eat that thing as an appetizer.
You still have 2 more sitting in front of you.
Oh my God! Like, does he take it?
What?
He only ate 1.
He's got 2 more.
Yeah, he still got to eat those 2.
Dude,
gotta
you
walk.
can't-
No, grab it.
No, let him. Don't kill him.
No.
Oh, he's fine.
Wait, what does Luke say? Don't or do?
He's going for the Holy Grail.
Do it.
Don't do
Wait,
it.
I'm getting a phone call.
You got.
All right, well, you gotta
Just
watch.
stay quiet, dude.
That's so gross. That's just not good.
Well, you gotta finish it now.
You're right, but. You.
He did this too.
At least you're gonna feel great.
I say your sinuses. Well, no, I was gonna say that too. Your sinuses.
You're not sweating as much as I thought you would be. You're more crying.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Missing bites.
I'm in time.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Look how he's standing by his car eating a pear. Like someone out in the parking lot.
Which one was hotter, first one or second one?
The second one's got a better taste to it. Because of the
You said a better taste.
smoky and bold helps it.
All right.
Right? I helped you.
That was
That
a
one
sound.
sounded like it hurt. No. I can't.
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to swallow it.
He's sweating.
His hair is getting bad.
He's sweating. Look right by his ears. He's sweating.
Where are you going?
I can't swallow the rest. So I'll throw up. But
Hey, you did well.
are you still gonna do the chip?
Yeah.
I'll check on Amazon later. Dude, no, you should have seen him when he did the what's up vlog.
Hey, I can't help but notice there's one sitting over there.
Nope. I got a dinner tonight.
You also have heartburn.
That too. I would have had to take a Prilosec before eating that.
I've never seen somebody more red in my life than when he ate the ghost pepper. His face looked like this. He had snot everywhere leaking out of his face. You think it's still worse than the ghost pepper? Yeah.
Is your stomach in pain yet?
He does have foot letters.
I need to walk faster.
You need some milk. Actually, no. You need a Tums. I think I got one left. I don't know if Tums will- Yeah, but I
How
don't
bad
know
is
if
it?
one Tums will do
It's like the neck that
I
burns.
need do you want Tums?
Oh. Whoa.
The breeze feels good. Picking it up. All the ears burn. Baja blast.
That probably burns.
Baja tastes good.
Let's see how sweaty the hair is.
Man, we're gonna have to get a new napkin stash. Deplete our napkin stash.
Not as bad as I was expecting. I can't talk.
Is the worst over yet? Or is it getting worse still?
I need a fan.
Get a breeze going.
I have an idea. You're about to see the best idea I've had.
That works.
Yeah.
Is this gonna feel good?
It did. So good.
Is that fan on?
Yeah.
Get it off your head, dude. What are you doing?
It feels perfect.
You're getting a little haircut. You're gonna get a bald spot on the top of your head.
I hope so. Now the only part that hurts is my mouth. I know they wanted all three. The consistency of the second one really ruined it. That little bit of sogginess really threw me off for a minute there. I'm gonna tell you though, my new makeshift spot feels pretty good.